Okay, welcome to another quick edition of Gino's Gems. This is a real quick lesson on hacks that we use. This one is a bottom line one. I'm going to call this bottom line, the news for me. Give me the short and skinny, make a long story short, because sometimes, you just don't have a lot of time to digest all the news. Sometimes you just want to jump in your account and there's a ton of news out there. Just bottom line it. There's a few places I like to go, but I'm going to share one of them with you. I'm going to highlight briefing.com. It's a free online website right here. I'm going to bring this up. And, there's economic calendars. There's news calendars throughout the day. There's a lot to all these websites out there. The economic calendars, what is that? That's monthly and weekly reports that come out that we're waiting for numbers on the economy. Then your daily news. The daily news is the stuff that comes out all throughout the day, unexpected stuff that moves the market. So let me show you real quick, Gino's Gem here to save you time, because that's why I'm here. Bottom line it for me, Gino. How do you do it, man? So I like going into briefing.com, stock market update, and in here, every half an hour, they give you the top headline, starting right when the futures open. But what I do is I come down here just below the market snapshot, because I like to see where the market is. That's updated every 20 minutes or so. I like to come right here to moving the market. This is Briefing's idea of what they believe is moving the market. And looking at today, pullback in treasury yields, buying on weakness following last week's disappointing finish. S&P 500 remaining position above the 200-day moving average. That saves me a lot of time. I'm going to be looking for that in the charts. Strength in mega caps, boosting index gains. Okay, so I've got it in a nutshell. That's the majority of what they believe is the big movers. Then you've got the second thing. Here's another shortcut here. I like to go to the economic calendar. There's sometimes like tomorrow, there's a lot of stuff. They do a good job by highlighting, like you can see it's in blue here, things that are medium or high influence on the market. And these are things where, I don't have a degree in economics, but what I want to know is this: how does this affect the markets? What do I need to know? Because if I click on durable orders here, there's a lot of data here. There's a lot of data. What I want to do is I want to click on this and I want to come right down. Here's your Gino Gem, big picture. This is the bottom line here. The key takeaway from the report was strength seen in non-defensive capital goods orders, excluding aircraft. And it tells you right here, those orders were up 0.8% month over month, following a 3% decline, So you get the big picture of the news that you need to know. For example, here's the last time consumer confidence came out. Key takeaway from the report: Conference Board's acknowledgement that the reading below 80 for the expectations signals a recession within the next year. Great. I don't have to read all these numbers, put them in my calculator, and listen to the talking heads for 3 hours. They just bottom lined it for me right there. Now I'm ready to trade. I've got the bottom line for the news. I don't need to read into all these stories. I don't need to listen to the TV news, the CNBC, definitely not Kramer, and all the stuff out there. I just want the bottom line so I could jump into my portfolio and start trading. Make your decision based off the bottom line. That's what you're trying to do anyway. There you have it, guys. That is another Gino's Gem. Take it, add it to your pile. See you next time.